Alright y'all, in this video I'm gonna be showing y'all this new TikTok affiliate marketing strategy I've been trying and getting crazy results with, as you can see on screen. And the best part about this method is you don't have to get on camera or show your face. You don't have to create a product, course, or service. You don't have to spend any money on advertising, or you don't need a huge budget to get up and running. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. So now before I get into the step-by-step on how to set all this stuff up, first you got to see what the strategy is and actually the results of me doing it and a few other people that I found doing the same exact thing, which is most likely my course students, people who brought my done for you campaigns. But yeah, we on my profile, Big Figures. You can always check this stuff out. Just go on Instagram or TikTok. Probably should start with TikTok, but whatever. If I scroll down, implementing the strategy, my very first time trying the strategy out, I got 500,000 views. You can look right here, 167,000 views, 3,600, 3,400. 23,000, 16,000, 2,000, almost 1,200, almost 5,000, 1,800, 57,000 views, and almost 3,000 views I posted the other day. That's my Instagram account. And also before I started this, I had like 2,000 followers. Now I got 7,300. And if we go on TikTok, I got 364 followers. My most viral video, 18,000 views, 10,000 views, almost 10,000, 5,000, 2,000, 1,500. 1,500, 1,300, 800, and the rest is history. So not that many videos. Every video that I uploaded on TikTok, I downloaded and uploaded on Instagram. So it's the same amount, probably like 12 or something like that, which is responsible for the results that I showed you at the start of this video. It's crazy. I haven't even uploaded that many videos. Now I can say the bulk of the income came from this video that went viral, my first one, 500,000 views. I got a lot of commissions from that. That you can do it as well. And if we go look up, here's an example of another affiliate kind of doing the same thing. As you can see, multiple videos over 200,000. As you can see, this one got 400,000 views, 250,000 views, 230,000, 50,000, 46, 43, 36,000, 30,000. So they got videos that's dropping, that's going viral on a regular basis. Pretty much doing the same exact thing that I'm doing. Here's another affiliate. Hustle.jobs. Oh, and that page got 20,000, almost 21,000 followers. This one got 531, so they just started. Let's see how many videos they got. They don't have that many videos, less than 30, 40, I want to say. Their most viral video, 56,000 views, 16,000, 15,000, 1,200. So it's all about just keep posting, man. You're going to get a video to go viral eventually. As you can see, this page uploaded almost 40 videos and only got 3 videos that reached over 10,000 views, and this one got 56,000. It could have been that one video for you that take off, but if you gave up after video 3, you would never know. So just staying consistent with this strategy. And let's go check out this last example. Another brand new account doing the same thing that I'm teaching. Wi-Fi paydays. This is one of my students for sure, because they use my landing page. But they most viral video, 7,000 views, 200 views, 200, 200, 140, 89. So they just started, I'm sure, within the last week or two. And they already got a video with 7,000 views to it. And if we go check out the affiliate link or their landing page or whatever, let's go see. Make sure it's one of my students. Yep, this is my brand. This is the funnel you get. I give all my students that buy my Done For You campaign. Click here to get started now. Takes them to the survey. They answer a few questions and then redirects to a survey offer. Inbox dollars. And when I know from experience, this offer pays out like $2 or almost $3 for every lead on this page right here, and that adds up quickly. So if you get 100 leads a day, that's paying out $3. That's $300 a day, $10,000 a month. It's all about how often and consistent you post. Now I want to show you how you can recreate the same videos that we're doing all in 5 minutes or less. So if you go to any of those accounts I just showed you, click on the video. Let's go actually check it out so you can see. So remote job, let me start it over. Remote, no talking job, hiring now, up to $34 per hour. This is basically, the background video is basically, somebody typing on the computer. I'm going to show you where to get copyright-free videos just like this that you can use as a background when you upload them on TikTok. So if we let it play, CVS Health, they just highlighting the job. Keep in mind this video is only 24 seconds long, as you can see at the bottom of the screen right here. They're going over the qualifications for the job. They got to complete the form. Let's see what else. Choose your desired role. And that's it. That's literally all they did. If you want to recreate a video like this, or matter of fact, let me see. Remote jobs hiring right now. Let's go to one of my other students. A video like this. Remote jobs hiring immediately. This is a free video, background video. All they do is put the text over the screen. Truly remote. They just going over the website. The next one, no desk. Hundreds of listings. And then remotebrands.org, which is the affiliate funnel that they send it to. So when they send their traffic, so when people watch the whole video and they see the third job listing, remotebrands.org, they're gonna go search that on their phone and then go through the affiliate funnel that I was showing earlier. And when people go sign up to that offer, guess what? He get paid, or he or she, whichever one of my students this is, get paid $3 per lead. And out of 7,000 views, what if 50 of those people go and sign up to the offer? That's $150 on a $3 offer. And you literally spent 5 minutes making that video. So the outline of those videos, this is how I format all of my TikToks right here. So say for instance, I want to recreate this one, remote jobs hiring immediately. So let me click on this. I'll take the same headline like this, remote jobs hiring immediately. I think I spelled it right. Oop, no, I didn't. Boom. So I do that, and then I list the same websites or find different ones, and then make sure I throw in my affiliate funnel either first, last, or in the middle somewhere. And when people go search my URL, they'll take them to my affiliate funnel. And when they go sign up and get redirected to my affiliate offer, I get my commission. It's literally that simple. And then at the end of my videos, I like to say like and follow for more, so I could boost my video rankings, because the more engagement you get on your videos on TikTok or really any social media platform, they're just gonna continue boosting it. So promote, give value, you know, giving them different jobs, promote your affiliate offer, and at the end, always make sure to tell them to like and follow, because the more engagement you get on your videos, the more they're gonna push it. And then the caption, you don't really gotta put words in it, but you can. If we go to this one, remote jobs hiring right now, you could basically just say the same thing in your headline. So let's do that. Caption. You can get away with something like this. Very simple, easy to do. All you do is just put your iPhone screen up to go. Yeah, so you definitely got to go to the websites and basically do the same thing everybody else is doing. Hover over the screen, show the CVS Health, show a job, you know what I'm saying, the job description, and put the text over the screen. Now, where you get the video at, the background video for the first 2 or 3 seconds, is go on pexels.com. You can search for woman typing on laptop. Get some royalty-free videos you can download without signing up to the website, which I love because it's make everything faster. From here, you just click on videos. Let's let it load. Filters, I like to find like the vertical up and down orientation. And from here, you just find a video you like. So if you like this video right here, you can just click on download, X out to here. As you can see at the bottom left, it downloaded, or it's downloading the video. And from there, you just send it to your phone, however you want to, a text, you can airdrop it, whatever. Go to the job websites, you know, and do the basically replicate what everybody else is doing on their videos. Highlight the brand and then the listings. It's literally that simple. And then you want to plug in your affiliate offer and you're good to go. Now that you know how to create your TikTok and Instagram videos, what you do now is basically go find an affiliate offer that you want to promote. So whether you want Max Bounty or ClickFunnels, let me show you how to find a good offer in Max Bounty in like 30 seconds. So once you're in Max Bounty, go to the search tab. I like to uncheck everything except for social, because we're going to be using social media. So uncheck everything. Categories, I like to do surveys. Country, you can do all countries, or you can go straight to United States. Really don't matter. Approve to run, and then CPA type per lead. Then click on the pause search options. First thing I like to do as soon as it load up is click on EPC. What that does is basically rank all the offers from highest converting to least converting. So let's say for instance, offer like this. Boom, come over here. It does not have a daily cap, so you can send 10 leads a day, or you can send 100,000 leads a day. Converts on unique lead submit. and you can go check out the landing page by clicking on the preview. Let's see if it loads. Sign up for free and start earning today. Click on continue. Boom. So whenever your leads come to your website and then they come to the offer, once they fill out this information, you get paid $3. It's that simple. From here, build tracking link. You can do social, raw link, copy it. Boom. Now you can go put this either in your landing page funnel, like I give out one inside of my free traffic done for you campaign. Link is in the description or the comment section down below. Got to promote my stuff. But yeah, or you can do the link tree style, where I know a lot of y'all then came to people's websites and it looked like this, where they got like their picture and then they got a bunch of links. You can do this for free. I'll show you how to set that up in a second. But yeah, you can copy your link from Max Bounty, or if you want to go to ClickBank route, go to ClickBank Marketplace, click on top offers. You could do, once it loads, e-business or e-marketing, especially if you're following this strategy. You want to pick a work from home offer. So live chat jobs, this would be a good one to promote. Pays out $14 initially, and then recurring $40, which totals out to about $56 on average. So it starts off with a $1 trial, and then they just start billing on the back end and stuff like that. And if you want to promote that offer, you just click on promote. That's him, JT, create hop link, boom, copy. Now, if you want to go with this style where you don't need to set up an actual sales funnel and all that stuff with ClickFunnels, or if you want to budget, whatever, you can set up a link style or a link tree style like this by going over to solo.to. I'm gonna leave my referral link to solo.to because you can get 10% off your monthly plan if you want to sign up to the paid version, or you can just do the free version completely. So yeah, check out the link in the bio. It's gonna be my referral link. It's gonna take you to a website like this. It should say sign up. I'm already signed in, so it's looking like this. It say my page. But yeah, once you signed up and all that stuff, this is the dashboard. You can change the profile picture, change the color, your display name, your location, your bio, and all that stuff. Change the font, the theme, style, the favicon, which is basically this little infinity button. I don't need to change it. I really don't care. Links and embeds. This is where you want to put your affiliate link. Boom, URL. You can say something like live chat. Matter of fact, $35 an hour, live chat job. Apply now. Boom, click on done, save. And now if I refresh this screen, it should see my affiliate link right here. $35 an hour, live chat job, apply now. Click on it, should take us straight to the affiliate offer. Voila. You know, people sign up to this offer, they fill out the quiz or whatever, we get our commissions. It's literally that simple. All right, so now for a monetization guide and kind of like a recap. So what you want to be doing with this strategy, everything you learned in this video, you want to be posting at least 1 to 3 times per day for at least 30 days. And so you can analyze and see what's working and what's not, and then double down on what is working and stop doing what's not working. Simple as that. I know a lot of people always try this out for a few days up to a week. They don't go viral, so they quit. Go on YouTube, find another strategy, do that for a week, quit, so on and so forth. You got to give all of these strategies at least a 30-day time span before you jump to the next, because what if you only upload 2-3 videos out of a week, and then next week you upload a video you could have went viral? You'll never know unless you keep posting until you find something that works. So that's why I recommend posting 1 to 3 times per day or more if you can for at least 30 days and giving it a true shot. Next thing is you'll be able to place your link in bio. So you'll be able to place your funnel link, your solo.to link, whatever you want to call it. You'll be able to place that in your bio once you get 1,000 followers. I believe you can do it immediately once on Instagram, but on TikTok I know it's 1,000 followers, and you can fully monetize your account. You could be able to put the link in your bio at that point. You'll be able to put it in your captions as well as your videos. So that's 3 different ways to throw your funnel around so you can get the most amount of clicks as possible. And last but not least, you want to add a call to action inside of every post. So that's inside of your video. A call to action is basically telling people what to do. So if you want people to go click the link in your bio, say that at the end of your video. If you want people to go to your website, you can say it in your caption, you can say it in your videos, you can say it in your bio. Call to action everywhere, every chance you get. That's how you get clicks to your offers and then ultimately get commissions. Now, like I was mentioning throughout this video, if you want to learn this strategy in detail, I highly recommend you go pick up my free traffic done for you campaigns going into this strategy completely in detail, literally A through Z. It's a 30-minute training video. Also, as bonuses, you get access to my Max Bounty referral link, as well as the script I use to get inside of Max Bounty and that everybody else use to get approved, and you'll be good to go. I also have a couple other private CPA networks that not too many people know about or even got access to. I got my referral links to those. I got my ClickFunnels share code, my landing page linked. So basically with the ClickFunnels share code, you will literally just open that link and you will have my whole entire survey funnel right inside your ClickFunnels account without doing any editing, no setting up anything, just plugging in your information, well, your affiliate link, and changing out my logo for yours, and you can start driving traffic directly to that funnel. So if you want access to my free traffic done for you campaign, right now it's 50% off. You can get it for only $25. Link is in the description or in the comment section down below. And if y'all want more videos like this, drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff, man. And lastly, follow me on Instagram at Big Jalen. That's all I got for this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.